Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how you can change your life in 3 months. First, let's set the stage for success. Begin by clearly defining what change means to you over the next 90 days. Is it a new skill, better health, or improved relationships? Break down these larger aspirations into smaller, actionable steps. Focusing on 1 to 3 key areas will help you maintain focus and achieve tangible results within this relatively short time frame. Remember, clarity is your first step towards transformation. Now, let's dive into actionable strategies. To truly change your life in 3 months, consistency is key. Implement daily habits that directly support your goals. For instance, dedicate 30 minutes each day to learning a new language. Tracking your progress, even small wins, will keep your motivation high. Consider using a journal or an app. Also, actively seek out new learning opportunities and connect with supportive communities that share your aspirations. This external reinforcement can be incredibly powerful. Changing your life isn't always a smooth journey. You'll encounter obstacles. It's crucial to anticipate potential challenges, like a lack of motivation or unexpected time constraints, and develop proactive solutions. For example, schedule your most important tasks for your peak energy times. When setbacks occur, practice resilience. View them not as failures, but as valuable learning opportunities. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Be flexible and adjust your approach as you gather new insights. Congratulations on making significant changes in 3 months. The final step is sustaining this incredible progress. Integrate your new, positive habits into your long-term lifestyle so they become second nature. Regularly review your journey and celebrate every achievement, no matter how small. This reinforces positive behavior. To maintain momentum and continue evolving, keep setting new, inspiring goals. Remember, personal growth is a continuous journey, and you've built a strong foundation for a lifetime of positive change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.